Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how I draw my brows. I'm just going to jump straight into the tutorial so that this video is not too long. Going in with a beauty blender and powder, I'm just dabbing powder onto my brows to make it matte before I start drawing them. Now I'm using this spoolie to comb my hair into place. I'm going in with the Hager and Esther brow pomade and a flat angled brush to gently fill in my brows. As you can see, I'm following the natural shape of my brows. I'm just outlining the bottom and then going on to the top with the same brow pomade just to form the shape that I want my brow. If you want me to do a detailed tutorial on how to draw your brows if you don't have brow hair, please leave a comment down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to do a very detailed video for you guys. Now I'm using the brow pomade and the same brush to fill in my brows. I know that I already have hair on them, but I still go in slightly with the pomade and fill the brows in. I'm just taking my time to do this so that everything comes out really nice. When I'm satisfied, I go in with the spoolie and brush out my hair and the pomade so that there's a blend. Now I'm going in with this flat brush to define my brows. Here I use the LA Girl concealer in Fawn and Toast. I realized that Fawn was too light for me for my brows, so I decided to mix Fawn and Toast together to get this blend of color. I'm applying this blend onto my the high point of my brows, and then I'm going in with Toast, which is a darker color of concealer, but that is closer to my skin tone. So I'm applying Toast at the front and at the back of my brows, just so that when I blend it in, it gives a more natural finish and it blends better into my skin. Now I'm going to the top of my brows and I'm applying the same concealer in Toast because this concealer is close to my skin color. So I'm applying that at the top of my brows to further define my brows, just to clean it up a bit. And another reason why I'm using this color is so that when I blend in foundation, everything just blends in properly. Usually I advise that you use a concealer color that is closer to your skin tone, closer to your foundation color, so that when you blend everything in, it blends in properly. Now I'm going in with this blending brush to blend out the concealer that I applied at the top of my brows and at the bottom of my brows. I'm just blending in the concealer into my skin, making sure that everything is properly done and clean. As you can see guys, the concealer is blended into my skin. So this is the reason why you use a color close to your skin tone to highlight the top of your brows. Now this is what the brows look like. I'm still blending the concealer so that everything looks good. I'm going in with this brow tamer from TM Essential. It's like a clear gel. and I'm using this to blend the hair on my brows and the product that I applied to further blend them together so that it has this seamless transition. As you can see that everything just has this really nice blend, and this is what you want to achieve when you draw your brows. Now, it's okay to make mistake when you're drawing your brows. I'm just going in. I realized that there was a bit of, went in with a bit of concealer to just correct that line. It's okay if you make mistake. Just make sure that you go in and correct, whatever mistake you have made. And yeah, this is what the brow looks like, guys. I'm just going in now with a blending brush and powder to set in the concealer. You can use a face powder, you can use a setting powder, whatever powder you think works for you is fine. Just make sure that you set the concealer that you applied, carefully so that it doesn't crease. Now I'm going in again with the spoolie to brush everything back in place, and yeah, this is what the brows look like, guys. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two. So guys, this is how I love to draw my brows. Of course, people have different preferences, and so when my clients come and they tell me what they want regarding the look or the brows or whatever, that is what I would normally do. But this is how I love to draw my brows. So if my client comes and they want darker brows, I do darker brows for them. If they want thinner brows, I do thinner brows for them. Basically, I just want to satisfy my clients. So that's whatever they're comfortable with is what I would usually do. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, guys, if you want me to shoot a video of drawing brows without brow hair, please leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do you a detailed tutorial. Please, in the spirit of appreciation, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to tell your friends about this channel. It would be nice to grow the family together. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. I really appreciate it. I do not take it for granted. And so till next time, Jesus loves you. Bye.